Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Canva to Instagram at 2026. So Canva that supports direct Instagram integration. Okay, so the Canva, as I told you, supports Instagram business accounts through its content planner, which lets you design, connect and schedule and publish also to Instagram right from Canva. So all you need to do is open Canva on your desktop browser and then just go ahead and open up a design or create a new one. So now I do really want you just to go ahead and click on share right here. Okay, then just go with schedule, and actually I can't use that option because I don't have the Canva Pro right now, so the account is not a Canva Pro. So you will need, or it's required to have a Canva Pro to integrate Instagram to your Canvas account. So just click on schedule, and right there you will need to click on select a channel and then just click add or plus add social account. Then just choose Instagram right there and sign in with your Instagram business account, not a personal or creator account. Then just authorize permissions so Canva connects via Instagram, Facebook's APIs, etc. And once connected, you can schedule posts from inside Canva. So you only just to right there to pick your date and time, add your caption and hashtags, then just click schedule, and Canva lets you schedule up to 25 posts per 24 hours, and that's a huge number. So, as a note, you must connect via an Instagram business account tied to a Facebook page. Personal or creator accounts generally cannot be connected directly for scheduling actions inside Canva. So, actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.